Scientists spend years on discovery, but what if they don't publish? No one knows what they found. Welcome to Research Mentor Clinic, where we are your research partner. Here is exactly what research publication is and why it controls all scientific progress. Research publication is how scientists share their discoveries with the world. You do research, write a paper, submit to a journal, and get reviewed and then published. No publication means your research doesn't exist to the science. Scientists write detailed papers explaining their research, what they did, how they did, and what they found. Then journals send that papers to other experts who check the work that whether it is good or not. This is called peer review. If approved, the paper gets published for everyone to read and use. Now let me tell you the types of publications. First, research articles, which is original discoveries and experiments. Second is review papers, which is summary of existing research on the topic. Third, case studies, which is detailed analysis of specific examples. Fourth, conference papers, which is early findings presented at meetings. The last, fifth, book chapters, which is in-depth analysis for academic books. Each type serves different purposes in sharing knowledge. Now let's explore the real impact of publishing. Published research becomes the foundation for new discoveries. Other scientists build on your work. Medical treatments, technology, innovation, policy decisions all depends on published papers. Citations counts show how much your work influences others. In short, here is the publication process. Write papers, choose journal, submit, wait for peer review, revise based on feedback, get accepted or rejected. Process takes 6 months to 2 years depending on the journal and field. Here comes the important challenges. Many journals charge fees to publish or read articles. Peer review can be slow and sometimes biased. Pressure to publish leads to rushed or low quality research. Some important findings never published if results are negative. But why this matters? Publish or perish. Academic careers depend on publications. Society's knowledge advances only through the published research. Published work gets funding, recognition, and real-world applications. Without publication, research has zero impact. Getting started. Try by reading papers in your field. Understand the format and standards. Write clearly. Follow journal guidance. If you are doing research, start writing now. Even small findings can be valuable when published. So subscribe for tips on research writing and publishing strategies. See you in the next video then. Thank you.